Close enough.
I don't trust this guy.
I know he's not going straight. I think he's freaking out because only half of the bridge opened up. So just wait, and then when he clears, put it in gear and drive the boat through the bridge.
Yes, sir.
If you're not in gear, you cannot steer.
Got it.
I like that phrase. That's mine.
Something right in front of the boat, too.
Yeah. Our boat?
Right in front of our boat. Okay.
All right, we're looking good. And, well, the flag on this side's fallen down, but the flag on the other side's still up. This is the North Landing Bridge, mile 20.2 on the Intercoastal Waterway. And you can see only half of the bridge is operated. That tugboat beyond us has to wait until they can come fix the left-hand span and make it open. They're expecting the service technicians to arrive at 2 o'clock and have that fixed. If you want to learn more about drawbridges, check out our training videos, Drawbridges. Any more information? Ask Captain Chris.